Okay, so question number 9 says a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. Okay, so 5, 8, and 4 green. So, how many total will become?
17.
17. Na? 12, 5, 17. Huh? So, 17 balls, total marbles are there. Now, what is the probability that the marble taken out will be red? So, what is the probability of red? If I say question number 9, part 1, probability of red. So, how many reds are there?
3 or 5.
5 reds are there. By
17.
17 is the total. So, this is your answer. Part 2, what is there? How many white are there? So, probability of white will be equal to how much? How many whites are there? 8 white are there. So, 8 by 17. Now, number 3, probability of what we have? Not green. So, not green. So, how many not green? Okay, so that means red and the white one we have to calculate. So, 8, 5,
13.
13. So, 13 are there which are not green. So, 13 by 17. So, this is your answer. Question number 10. What is there? A piggy bank contains 150 paisa coins, 50 1 rupee coin, 20 2 rupees coin, and 10 5 rupees coin. So if it is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. Okay, so when your piggy bank is there, so what you do is shake it up from upside. So one will come out from the hole. So that is what question is saying. So what is the probability that the coin will be this, or this? Okay. So what is there first? First have to calculate how much is there. Piggy bank 150 paisa coins are there. So what we'll write here will be number of coins and here will be coin denomination. Which coin we are taking? Okay, here number of coins. So how many? First is 100 are there. So 100, what we have? 50 paisa coin. The next one is 50 1 rupee coin. So 50 1 rupees coin. The next one is 20 2 rupees coin. Then next one is 10 5 rupees coin. Understand? So these are the coin. 5 rupees coins are there, 2 rupees coins are there, 1 rupee coins are there, and 50 paisa coins are there. Okay, and how many coins are there total? This is the total coin. How many we have? That means 180. Okay, 180 total coins are there, and what coins are there? These are there. Okay, now so question number 1 part 10 part 1, what is there? Will be 50 paisa coin. So probability of 50 paisa coin. Okay, so what is there? 50 paisa coin probability is how much? 50 paisa coin, how many are there? 100. So 100 50 paisa coins are there out of total 180. So 180. Then second part, probability that the coin is what? Will not be rupees 5 coin. So probability of not rupees 5 coin. So how many not 5 rupees coin? That means this all. Just 1 minute. Not will be this all. So that means how many? 100, 50 and 70. So 170 are not 5 rupees coin. Okay. So out of how much? Total again 180 coins. So this is your answer. Question number 10. Now next question number 11. Okay,
Sir, you post video.
answer will be this one. You have to cut 0 0 you cut here, and how much? 2 9 ja 18, 2 5 ja 10. So answer is 5/9. This also same, 0 0 you cut, answer is 17/18. Okay, so question number 11 says Gopi buys a fish from a shop in his aquarium. So fish he is buying. Now the shopkeeper takes out one fish at a random from the tank. So he have a tank, and from there one fish they are taking, containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish are there. So here how many total fish are there? 8 5 13 fishes are there, and then 5 male are there and 8 female fish are there. What is the probability that the fish taken is a male fish? So what is the answer? Probability male fish will be equal to, what will be the probability of male fish? How many male fish? 5 out of 13. Okay, so this is your answer, question number 11. Number 12. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then these are equally likely outcome. So what is the probability that it will point at 8? So if this is there, okay, so this is the pointer, so this one you rotate. Okay, so it is rotating, and what comes? Suppose one value comes which may be 8 or any other. So what is the chances of coming 8 in this question? Chances of coming is 8 is 1 chance out of 8 chance. So what is your first part? Probability of 8 will be equal to 1 chance out of 8 chance total. The next question, an odd number. So probability an odd number. So what are odd numbers? So when you say odd number, so 1 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there. No, 4 are there odd numbers. 4 out of 8. Total is 8, na?
Yeah.
So it is 1/2. Now third part. What will be third part? Probability of a number greater than 2. A number greater than 2. So what is the number greater than 2? So what are the number? 1, this one, 3 4 5 6 7 8 all will come. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 out of 8. So 2 3 ja 2 4 ja, so is 3/4. Number fourth part, what is there? A number less than 9. So what is the probability less than 9? All will be less than 9. So that means all 8 will come out of 8. That means 1 answer. Okay. Now number 13. So number 13, what it is saying? A dice is thrown once in the probability of getting a prime number. So when you throw a dice, what is a Ludo dice when it is there? So what are the chances coming? 1 can come, 2 can come, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Anything can come out of this. No? Now out of this, what is the question is saying? A prime number. So first, probability a prime number. What is the probability of it has a prime number? So what are the prime numbers? 2 is there a prime number, 3 is there is a prime number, and 5 is there which is a prime number. Okay, so prime numbers are these 3 are there which are prime numbers. Now what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are any number which can be divisible by only themselves or 1. Okay, so 4 can be divisible by 2. Okay, so that's why it doesn't come. Okay, 1 is not a prime, not a composite, always remember. So 2, 3 and 5. So that means how many? 3 out of how many? 6. so it is 1 by 2. Then second part, what is there? Has to be number lying between 2 and 6. Number lying between 2 and 6. So how much? 3, 4 and 5 are between 2 and 6. What are there? 3, 4, 5. So that means how many? 3 out of 6 again. So answer again 1 by 2. Then number third part, probability. What is there? An odd number. An odd number. What will be the probability of an odd number? What are odd numbers? 1, 3 and 5. These are the odd numbers. That means again 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Okay, this is there, number 13. Now number 14. So number 14, you have to see a well shuffled 52 decks are there. Okay, 52 cards are there in a deck. So that means you have to see 52 cards are there. Okay, now if you remember, I have given you one table for cards. Okay, is it there? So this is the card, remember, no? 52 cards are there. Out of that, 26 red, 26 black card used to have. In the 26, 13 are diamond and the heart, and the black card 26, they have also 13, that is club and the spade. Okay, now after that, ace are there 4, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till there all we have. Then after that, jack, queen and king. So these are the 3 each we have. So these 3 jack, queen and king are called as face cards. Okay, so this is what you have to remember. Now what is our question says? That first question is a king of red color. So first, probability a king of red color. What will be the probability of a king which is red? So red are this one. So here one king is this one red color, and this one also will be red color. So there will be 2 kings which are red color. Okay, now so red color king will be how many? 2 out of how much? 52. So 2, 3 just 6, 2 just 4, 2 6 just. So 1 by 26 is the first answer. Second part, a face card. Probability a face card. So face card, I told you directly how many we have face card. All these will be face card. So how many? 3, 3, 3, 3. That is 12. So 12 face card out of again 52. 2 6 ja, 2 26 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 13 ja. So 3 by 13. The next question number is part 3 is what? A red face card. So probability a red face card. So red and then face card. So these are the face cards, and red will be how many? This one and this one. So this 3 3 6 by 52. So 2 3 ja, 2 26 ja. So 3 by 26 is your answer. The number 4th part, a jack of heart. Probability the jack of heart. So what is the probability of jack of heart? So heart and then jack. So how many? 1 by 52. Number 5th part, a spade. Probability a spade. So what we have is spade. How many? 13. All these are spades. So 13 we have. So that means 13 by 52. So 13 4 ja 52. So that's why 1 by 4 answer. Then number 6th part, a queen of diamond. A queen of diamond. So 1 by 52. Okay, so this is your answer. Clear? Saying 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of Diamond are well shuffled. So this time all 52 cards are not there. How many cards are there? 5 cards are there. So I'll say 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 cards are there. So one is your Jack, one is your Queen, one is your 10 also was there, and then one King and then one Ace is there. So these are the cards we have, suppose. So only of what shape? Only which card? Diamond cards. All are diamond cards only. Okay, so all are diamond cards. No? So only 5 cards are there. You do not have any other cards. So we don't have to check all 52. Here only these 5 cards have to check. Okay. Now what happened? Out of these 5 cards, what is the probability? Okay. So what is the probability that the card is a queen? So first probability that queen. So what is the probability of queen? 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5. So this is your first part. Second part. What is your second part? If the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card is picked up is an ace? So in second part, first A part, probability of ace. Say what they are saying, that queen has been replaced. So there is no queen now. Okay. Now if there is no queen, then what are remaining we have? These 4 are there. Now out of these 4, so this queen is not there. So out of these 4, what is there? Ace suppose we have. So ace will be how many? 1 out of 4. What was there? So when you find ace, so because queen has been taken out of these 5, so ace will be how many? 1 out of how many remaining card now? 4 cards. So 4 cards, out of that 1 card will be this one out of 4. Now second part, what is they are saying? The B part, a queen. Now probability of a queen. What is the probability of a queen now? Now queen is already gone. So what are remaining? We have these cards. Now what is the chances of coming queen from these? 0 chance. So answer is here 0. Because there is no queen only. So chances of coming queen is no chance. So it means 0 is your answer. Okay.